Horses out, one slow out, state of the art. We have Talaga. Pass to begin down on the inside, Master File. Love with Class alongside third. Then comes Salim Newdona. Then next on line, Master Cutter, while state of the art is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Talaga. Running by the rail is Master File. Two lengths away in third, Love with Class, Salim. Alongside fourth, then comes New Dawn. Then comes Master Cutter and State of the Art. And it's still Talaga by about half a length. Down on the ins and now is Master File. Love with Glass remains in third. Then moving up on the outside, fourth, Salim New Dawn. Master File takes the lead, and on the outside now is Love with Glass. Salim alongside, then followed over by Talaga. Love with Glass, Salim now moving up on the outside to take second. Master File drives back in third, Talaga, then comes New Dawn. And it's still Love with Glass, and on the outside is Salim. Racing in third, Master File as they come down at the last 150. We have Love with Glass by about 2.5 lengths. Salim in second, and in third moving up New Dawn, Master File. Last 75 meters, we have Love with Glass followed by Salim, and nearing the finish line, it's Love with Glass, Salim, New Dawn, then comes Master File, Master Cutter, and number 3, Talaga.